states the convection property of the material. So the heat transfer is directly proportional to the area of the substance. The heat transfer directly proportional to the change in temperature. Here H is denoted as heat transfer coefficient. From the neutral of cooling, you can find the heat transfer coefficient of the substance. So Q by A delta T. The unit is watt per meter square Kelvin. The heat transfer coefficient is defined as heat transfer per unit area per unit rising temperature. This is called Newton's law of cooling. Then another law is the Stefan-Boltzmann law. It states the radiation property of the materials. It states the radiation property of material. In Stefan-Boltzmann law, the heat transfer directly proportional to the area of the substance. The heat transfer directly proportional to the fourth power of rise in the temperature. So we can rewrite as sigma A power E power 4. Sigma is the Boltzmann constant. Q by A E power 4. This unit is watt per meter square Kelvin power 4, because they are using the fourth power of the temperature. So the Stefan-Boltzmann law, the constant is defined as the heat transfer per unit area per fourth power of rise in the temperature. These three laws state the convection as well as radiation properties. The Planck law states that it works on the monochromatic black body substance. So the emitted wavelength in all the direction, it increases with the temperature. The Planck law states that the emitted wavelength of all the radiation, it increases in temperature. The another law is the Kirchhoff's law. The Kirchhoff's law, it states the ratio between the emissive power and the absorbing power. So the emissive power of all the emitted radiation of all body is equal and is same to the emissive power of the perfect black body. Again I am telling, the emissive and the absorbing power ratio for all the body is equal and the same for the emissive and absorbing power of the perfect black body. Then another law is the Weiss law. The Weiss law is nothing but T max into lambda is equal to constant. The product of maximum temperature and the wavelength of the emitted radiation is equal to constant, or otherwise it states that the emitted radiation wavelength is inversely proportional to the maximum temperature rise. It is the Weiss law. The fifth law is the Lambert-Cosine law. E theta is equal to En cos theta. It states that the emitted power radiation is equal to the emissive power of the normal radiation and the product of Gaussian vector of the radiation. Again I am telling, the emissive power is equal to the product of the normal radiation emitting power and the Gaussian vector of the radiation. So this phi law states the